We'll take you back now to the breaking news this hour, and that is the dismal result on Wall Street. The Dow Jones index has lost more than 500 points, a drop of 4.6%. Down most of the day, but there were heavy falls towards the end of trade, all based on fears about France's credit situation and renewed debt fears in Europe, and followed similar heavy falls across on European bourses. I'll
just update you on those figures. Over in London, the index there fell just more than 3%. In Paris, 5.45%, and in Frankfurt the DAX dived there over 5%.
For more, our North America correspondent Craig McMurtry joins us now from Washington. And Craig, that brief respite on the markets in the US yesterday proved to be very short-lived.
Yeah, here we are again. Good morning, Michael. Well, we were down 600 on Monday, bounced back in a rally yesterday, down 520 on the Dow Industrials today. It's just been a real seesaw ride. All the US banks, the financials, led the declines here on Wall Street today. Bank of America, Goldman, Morgan Stanley, Citigroup, all down. There was a sharp sell-off really in response to what was going on in Europe, and that seems to be sourced to rumours coming out of Europe that the creditworthiness of France could be in question after America lost its AAA rating, that France could be next. The ratings agencies could be looking at France. Now, Société Générale, France's second bank, issued a statement denying market rumours about its balance sheet. The ratings agencies took the step of going public, saying that the French AAA credit rating was secure, and on the back of that, Wall Street started to climb back. But in the last hour, there was some pretty aggressive selling, and at the close, as you just said, all the major indexes, the Dow, the S&P, the Nasdaq, down over 4%. Gold surged again today to a new record. It's up something like 8% in 3 days. And I think the best you can say about this is that there is just a lack of confidence, that there is fear in this market. There is a lot of investor concern about volatility. And a lot of people just seem to surrender late today.
And a lot of skittishness as well, continued skittishness, Craig, about the US economic situation.
Yes, absolutely, skittishness about the US situation, and that can perhaps be best measured by yet another opinion poll. The Reuters Ipsos poll's out today. It's saying 47% of the Americans it polled believe that the worst is yet to come for the US economy. And it said 1 in 5, the poll found 1 in 5 now believe that the US is headed in the right direction. There is just a lot of pessimism around this place. Interestingly, this afternoon, the chairman of the US Federal Reserve, Ben Bernanke, sat down with the president at the White House for a meeting. White House officials were playing down the importance of that, saying it was really a regular catch-up, but we understand it was with not only the chairman but also the president's economic advisors. Clearly there is increasing pressure on this town anyway to come up with some sort of way forward, a plan to try and restore confidence and engage and deal with the fiscal problems, with the deficit problems. But another gloomy trading day here in the United States.
Thank you, Craig McMurtry in Washington.
Okay.